In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, you need to reach Settings, pick System then, and now click on Date and Time. Here you need to switch off automatic date and time, and then select it manually by yourself smoothly by using both switchers. Then you can also change the time zone, turn off automatic one by using the switcher, and then you can smoothly pick the region and time zone manually by yourself. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can change date and time. Obviously, whenever you would like to go back to network provided date and time, smoothly use those switchers. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.